seen a girl that said she wanted pronto. I got a girl in Toronto, man, I call her Raptor. She tryna
Where is the light, bro? Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be showing how to install the Dominar flasher. This is the flasher by the DIY thing, dothediy.com, and this one cost around 1800 rupees. Yeah, this model exactly. The model name is Hercules, and the installation is pretty straightforward. Now I got this to the DOCB group. Yeah, so now let's get on to install this. As per the instruction, the red wire goes to the battery one, so I've extended this by using another wire which I had in my home, because this wire is too short to reach the battery positive terminal. And this yellow wire goes to the ignition one, the yellow wire goes to ignition, and the red wire goes to the red one, and the gray wire goes to the gray thing, the gray coupler, and the black is for earthing. So this is the pretty straightforward connection. One. Yeah, it's a adapter part. Yeah, I think so you people will do the same. This is now waterproof, so now we shall go on installing the adapter. Yeah, so this is the place where you're going to install it. These are the red one, this is the green one, this is the red one, this is the gray one. This is for left indicator, right indicator, and this is for the ignition. And I'm going to give earthing to the screw, and positive to the red wire to the positive terminal of the battery. So let's go on and remove it now. Remove both the nut. Yeah, now I'm going to the features of it. I forgot the features of it. Yeah, the model which I have is the Clutch one. You can purchase from Do the DIY. The features mainly touch from 65 to 75 patterns, I think, and you can save 2 patterns by using the right. I'm going to show it later. The right, left, center indicator switch, first pattern, left, right, center, second pattern. And you can save 2 patterns from the 65 patterns, and other features like follow me home feature, in which when you off the ignition key, the indicator is going to stay on for the 5 seconds, so that you're able to see the driveway. So you can go to your door easily. And the another feature is that another main feature is that whenever you are on the when you're going on the highway and you're on the hazard light and you want to indicate a change of lane, yeah, the grease one, change of lane, then you can change on the indicator. It means the right indicator, and wait for after 5 seconds. If you off it again, the pattern which was on is going to get on automatically. It's the main feature, it's the important one, and there is no extra switch required. Yeah, now let's come to installation. It will be anyway. Yeah, so this red wire goes to battery positive terminal. Go from here to the battery positive terminal here. Okay, this is the screw. Whenever you connect the positive terminal, this indicator switch is going to get on automatically even when there is no key. But don't worry, because when you connect the ground, it's going to get automatically off. Yes, no problems. So now the coupling part, how we have to connect. So you can see the green one. Just press the bottom part of it like this and pull it out. Okay, now take the green thing, just make sure this is pointy, make sure it is pointy, and now open the see the green wire, and see the green wire attached to it. Green means another green wire, not the black and the yellow. See the green, and insert it to that point. Yeah, insertion complete. Now take the female part. See, yeah, goes right inside. Just press it till this get notched up. Now it's secure. Yeah, the result time. So when I'm going to on the indicator, both the indicators should blink twice. Yeah, it blinked twice. So successful installation of the hazard lights. So we are going to on the patterns now. So pattern technique is right, left, center, and the pattern is going to get on. See the pattern. Yeah, this is one of the pattern. To change the pattern, again right, center, and another pattern is going to get on. Now again right, left, center, another pattern got on, and I like this pattern. So how to save this pattern? So for saving any pattern in this, you're just going to off the means to turn off the hazard light, you're going to press one side of indicator and click the center button, means off indicator, with less than 5 seconds. Center down. Now the indicator, the hazard light is off. So now I'm going to remove the ignition key. I was talking about how to save the pattern. So whenever you're in a pattern and you off the indicator and you remove the key, automatically the lost pattern will be saved. So another important point is, after on in the ignition, wait for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, try to on the hazard light, or else you're going to face some problems for sure. So right, left, center. Yeah, the pattern got on. Yeah, so quite simple, right? That's it. This is how it looks. There are 65 patterns and you can save 2 patterns. Yeah, it's a worth investment. So for buying, go to dothediy.com or join the Telegram group for next bulk purchase. It will be damn useful. Yeah. That's it, guys, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel or give a like to this video. It will be helpful. Okay, that's it for now.